I wasn't expecting to be out today. I thought my riding was done for this year, but we've come across a reasonably bright day. Bit on the chilly side, but we're okay. I mean, we're just heading into winter now, but I suppose when you get to see this, because I've got quite a few videos backlogged, it'll probably be near a spring. So it was a while back when I did this ride. Well, for you anyway. For me it's right now. Anyway, like I say, I park up for winter. I don't do winter riding. I've done enough cold weather, wet weather in the past. Well, I don't find it enjoyable now. And I ride because it's enjoyable. So, yeah. If it's not comfortable, I'm not going out. And I usually park up for winter. It was getting very near that point, but we got this bright day. I thought, oh, we'll just nip out to the cafe for a brew, as you do. Yeah, so let's do it. Like I say, I've had quite a backlog of riding videos, and instead of just dropping them and releasing the whole lot, I thought, you know, I might as well just dribble them out. You know, make some content, make it last. Give something for people to watch. That sun's bright. I have got a visor on my helmet, a drop down tinted visor, but I can't see through it. It gets ever so blurred and distorted really, so I don't use it. I've got to think about investing in a new helmet. I've got another one at home, but to be honest, it hurts my forehead. I've got a big head. I need extra large helmets. Yeah, it'll be on my wanting list. As I said, I'm just having a ride out to the cafe, but we'll see how I'll feel when I get there. See how chilled to the bone I am. Not too bad at the moment, so I may go elsewhere. I may carry on a bit further afterwards. Yeah, we'll see. We'll play it by ear, so to speak. Could be one or two there. Bit of sunshine drags people out, doesn't it? I haven't been out for a while because of the bad weather. It's been very damp, shall we say, unpredictable. So it's good to get out. The bike's still a joy to ride, the Guerrilla. Still enjoying it, even if it is a bit parky. It's a bit cool around the gills, shall we say. But yeah, looking forward to next year, if we can get some miles put on it again. I think I've done about 1,000 miles on it since I've had it in well, 6 months really. Right, we're at the cafe. Nobody here yet. So I dare say somebody will turn up. Right, let's get a brew. There we are, all done. Like I say, it's probably going to be my last time for a while, anyway. Yeah, nobody turned up, so yeah, till next time. Thing is, now, do I go home? Feel like I have to stay out a bit longer yet. I might just take the long route home. Probably the best idea. If I turn off further on down here, I can go around the back lanes. Yeah, I think we'll turn off here. As long as it doesn't get too wet and muddy. We'll just have a bit of a slow tootle around the lanes. Some nice farmyard smells going on there. Bit of silage effluence. Yeah, but you know, it's just nice, it's just to tootle around sometimes, isn't it? You know, you haven't got to, belting around all the time. Just nice to take in the scenery, isn't it? You know, well, have a look around, enjoy it. Yeah, it's quite pleasant today. I believe we've got some storms coming within the next week, so yeah, that'll definitely be it for me. Yeah, it's the old pub, look. The old pub, not a lot left of it, is there? Is that an old beer sign, pub sign on the side there? Not sure. Yeah, just left to rot. I'm glad that I decided to come out, get one last ride in. Yeah, it's very pleasant. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.